many worms here, dude. That's at least 6 feet across. It's in about the right spot. It's all on dense ground. I think it should be good. I did some research last night, and long story short, what I've gleaned from this research is that I can either buy a plastic tank. Obviously, I know that. Oh, chicken, you stay off that thing! Alright. Now, if I want to build a concrete water tank, there are two main options. One is you have to get a sealer, and you have to get additives for the concrete, and you have to do all this weird different stuff. Chicken, get out of there! And you gotta get all kinds of expensive, crazy stuff, and if you build your concrete tank perfectly, it'll last 15 years. And the other option was, dude, just pretend it's like 1902 and you don't have anything, and just make it with concrete, and it'll last like 200 years. So I'm going with that one.
We got this castle.
You have a castle?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. What are you doing in the castle?
Made out of concrete.
Made out of concrete. What do you think of the circle down here?
It's cool.
Oh, good.
Let's make a water. We should make a water tank.
Whoa, that is an excellent idea. We should make a water tank. I think maybe I'll turn this circle into a water tank. What do you think?
We should.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, walls. I'm not super keen on making a fiberglass form for walls. What are my other options? I'm planing one board to be super smooth. I give it a little bit more to do there. And hopefully Deshana doesn't ask why this board is so much smoother than the floor. Ooh, nice curve. Oh, that's cool. That saw gets out of the way. Man, I love this saw. Now what? Oh, maybe I will fix that screw.
Why are you using so much glue?
I just want to make sure it's all soaked into the wood and makes a nice coating so the concrete doesn't soak into it. And then I can put wax on top of this. Man, I think I want to try this technique for a boat mold at some point. It makes really nice curves. I don't know, what do I do now? I need to make an outside one. You know, if this makes a good surface, I might just use watered down glue to do the floors upstairs. I don't know, would that be alright? I don't know. You know, if I use these, the height difference will only be an issue on the first layer. Then above that, this can just hang down and be even with the top. And these will curve easily as much as they need to if I take the PVC pipes out of them. Well, this thing's almost ready. It's mostly dry. But the spots where I covered the screws, I just took some, sawdust from here, mixed it with a bit of glue to make some stuff to fill in the screw heads. Those aren't going to be dry till tomorrow. The weather has been kind enough to keep this wet for me, and the chickens did not walk on it. Still smooth.